Alright, I'm going to go over how to set up your homepage. So by default, when you install the theme, you'll just get a list of your latest posts. And so the first thing we need to do is actually create a page, and that page will become our homepage. So let's go under Pages, add a new page, and let's call this one Homepage. Then under the right, under Page Attributes, we're going to want to select Homepage, since that's what template we're going to use. Then we can add some content, and this is just for example's sake. Let's go ahead and publish this page now, and I'm actually going to open up our homepage in another tab so we can switch back and forth. Makes it easier to show you how things are done. Then under Settings and Reading, we need to actually set up our homepage. And you'll notice right at the top it says Front Page Displays Your Latest Posts, and that's what's displaying. So instead we're going to need to change that to a static page. And then for front page, we will select our homepage, or whatever you named your homepage. You just need to find that on the list of your pages. One thing to note, this is also where you set up your blog. So for instance, if you had a latest news or blog, you can set that up there. We'll touch on that in another video. I just wanted to show you since it's the same section. So let's go ahead and click Save Changes. And now, instead of the latest post, we get our homepage. And so we have our homepage tagline and then some content here. Don't worry about the slider right now. That'll be covered in another video. But let's go and go over different options for setting up our homepage. So for one, you'll notice that at the top is the text to your homepage. So if I open up the live preview, for instance, we have this long, cool tagline. And the way to get that done, if you wanted that, is just to edit your homepage, and you can paste in that long title as well. And then when you open up your homepage now, you have that long tagline. So it just depends on how you want to display your homepage, but that's where your page title displays. Also, you can add content here. You can use shortcodes, all sorts of things. Again, if I go to the live preview, you'll notice we have all sorts of stuff. And I'll just cover these real quick in this video and then make specific videos on how to set up certain sections. So, for instance, up here is a widget area. And so we add this via widgets. Then under here, this is where I have the actual add content here. So you can add your content here and text. Also, these are called featured boxes, and you can add those a different way, and that's with child pages. So each one of these is actually a page, and I'll cover that in another video as well. And then under featured works, featured products, these are actually another widget area that you can add content in. And then down here is your footer. And then up here is actually your another widget area that's just for the home page. And to make that a little bit clearer, go to your widgets, and you can see there's homepage content top. Sorry, I clicked one too many. And if you go to this area right here, this is where the homepage content top is. Then the homepage content bottom is where these widgets are pulled in. And then the homepage footer widgets is where these two widgets are pulled in. And you can check out the documentation for written areas of what goes in here. But in general, the homepage content are these progression home widgets. So you'll have 4 to choose from on these two. And then your homepage footer, you actually only have 1 to choose from, and that's progression full width. Get in touch goes in there, and also the Twitter widget that we'll cover in another video as well. And it might be a little overwhelming, but don't worry, just continue watching the videos and it'll make a whole lot more sense once I show you how to set these sections up. But for now, that's how to create your homepage and set it. Continue on to the videos if you want to know how to set up the different widget areas.